We are the ancient forest dwellers. We were accustomed to fight the heat. But now, our rivers are drying up due to global warming and greenhouse gas emissions. Our food, drink, everything is decreasing. The heat is increasing so much that it has become difficult for us to survive. And the reason for this. If people do not become aware now, many animals like us will disappear. But there is still a ray of hope, the light of the sun. Roddur Solar has brought the best solar energy integration service. Be it home or office, reduce electricity costs with solar energy. Save the environment by utilizing clean and green energy. Keep our world green. Switch to solar energy with Roddur Solar. Save us, save the world. Roddur Solar, save nature, build the future.